If you are also bored by being in home for a decade and just have Saturday and Sundays for an outing, let me tell you the best place in Gujarat. First of all, book a bus from the Travels to Dwarka, which will cost you around 800 to 1200. You can opt to travel by train too. These are some trains running from Vadodara to Dwarka. So, I packed my bag, took my sister to drop me, caught my bus, had a tea break, got the best view from the window, took the hotel near the Dwarkadhish temple, which will cost you around 2500 to 300 for a decent or good hotels. Got ready to visit the temple, and where you have to submit your phones and shoes outside the temple, and it is free of cost. After visiting the temple and spending some time exploring this beautiful temple, you can go for the lunch around the temple. There are many hotels and restaurants in the market which serves the best food, which will cost you around 4 to 500 if you go to a good restaurant. After that, you can roam around the streets of Dwarka and get some good pictures. While exploring, I found out really amazing and unexplored place in Dwarka. So, this is Brahmakund, which is believed to free human being from all their sins. It is believed that Lord Krishna came to Dwarka after bringing the sinners to the path of virtuosity. During that time, many gods came to greet Lord Krishna on his accomplishment. Soon after this, Lord Krishna created a pilgrimage site at which came to be known as Brahmatirth or Brahmakund. So after exploring Brahmakund in Dwarka, grab a auto rickshaw and try to have a sharing rickshaw which will cover lot many places around Dwarka and which will be pocket friendly too, which will cost you around 300 to 500 per person. So I headed first toward Nageshwar Jyotirling, which is one of the 12 Jyotirlings, and where I found a cute devotee climbing to have darshan. Then finally we got darshan and it was such a divine feeling. After that, we went straight to Gopi Talao, got some good pictures and went to our next destination, which was Rukmini temple. This temple is dedicated to goddess Rukmini. This temple is an architectural marvel, also serves as a symbol of devotion. The intricate carvings and design of Rukmini temple showcase the cultural richness of time. And if you find some family who asks to click pictures, please do the honors and make someone smile. So after spending some time in this beautiful temple, you head back to Dwarka, have some dinner. So I had this soya chap in the market which was very good in taste. And then I had this delicious pizza, and then I had this faluda. And at night, I went to main market to have this hot milk, which is a must try when you are in Dwarka. So now, as it is day 2 in Dwarka, soft morning light filters through my window. The sounds of birds chirping fills the air. And from my hotel room near Dwarkadhish temple, I watch the sun rise over the sacred city of Dwarka. A new day, a new adventure. I am all set for today's trip. Taking a shared rickshaw for just rupees 200 per person, I am heading to 2 stunning places, Shivrajpur Beach and Bhadkeshwar Mahadev Mandir. Welcome to Shivrajpur Beach, a hidden paradise near Dwarka. This blue flag certified beach boasts crystal clear waters. It is the perfect escape for beach lovers and a great spot for photography. Whether you want to take a peaceful stroke, soak in the sun or try some water activities, this place has it all. So after a little exploring, it's time for some local flavors, a plate of steaming hot Maggi and a spicy corn chaat. The journey doesn't end here. Time to say goodbye to the beach and head toward Bhadkeshwar Mahadev Mandir, a place where spirituality meets the sea. This ancient temple, dedicated to Lord Shiva, is built right next to the ocean. And if you are here at sunset, watching the sun slowly melt into the sea is a sight you will never forget. The calmness, the cool breeze, and the rhythmic waves make this temple a must-visit spot in Dwarka. Stay tuned for more adventures, and if you love these vlogs, don't forget to like, share and comment below. See you in the next one.